this is me getting ready to finish painting this room, trying to get this room did. I'm trying to redo it over, remodel it over. We got to finish priming it. Don't mind the stuff in the middle, I'm gonna move that out the way. I'm trying to prime it first. I get rid of this ugly green color, whatever they put on now. And yeah, that's all I'm doing is priming the room to get it ready. All this stuff is gonna be out. Moving all of this out the way. Redoing this whole room. It's gonna be a totally different room when you see it. Yes, just priming it. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and you will enjoy all the makeovers, redos are we doing to this house. And floor, we taking up the tiles, putting new floors down, and you will see it. So, hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a good day.
Tell me what you're running for, 'cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard.
Twist it to make sure it's on that good, so I won't drop my camera.
Rocking with you, you're as good as it gets, but you're so scared of real love, 'cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run, jump the gun. You got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you're running for. You don't have to try so hard.
So this is all I wanted to show y'all what I'm about to do. I don't want to bore y'all with me priming the wall, but we'll come back after this dry and show y'all after I get through priming how it looks. And then I'll put the paint on it. And I want y'all to subscribe to my channel and watch all the remakes, models over. And hope you have a good day and a blessed day. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to Marcus TV. Thank you.